So thanks for staying with me. Make sure you book time on my calendar. This is part 2. I'm going to go deep here because I got 3 million views and so many people were confused. Okay, almost 100 years ago, so this started with a 32-hour work week. I know people are losing their minds, so this is going to be a longer video for 3 minutes, so stay with me. Before 1922, so since the dawn of civilization up until 1922, stay with me, we worked 12 to 14-hour back-breaking work. Everybody, regardless of race, creed, or otherwise, they worked 12 hours plus. In the early 1900s, okay, they started to work still 11 to 12 hours a day. The common practice for companies that were getting better in the 1950 to 1920s were 10 6-hour days. I know you can't read this because of the green screen. 10-hour days, 6 days a week. Stay with me here, okay? Now, in 1922, we're going to throw a lot of dates here, so I'm going to try to keep this simple. 1922, Henry Ford, the great Henry Ford, changed it in 1922 to 6 days of 8 hours a day. So that would be 48 hours work week. So still, through the beginning of time, dinosaurs, whatever it is, you still worked 6 days a week plus. In 1926, that is when things started to change. That was almost 100 years ago still. We have worked the exact same schedule, 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, okay, as a standard American schedule, 40 hours a week, 8 to 5. Let me say this again. We have not changed that. So everybody that keeps saying the apocalypse, the end of the world, because we shave 6 to 8 hours a week, I'm here to tell you that we're not. Look at this factory. Who do you know that works like this? Comment below, okay? Book time on my calendar, okay? The whole point of this is to help people. The original bill was a happiness bill. It wasn't an overtime bill. It wasn't a make more money bill, this and that and the other, and carry the 3. So the point is, yes, 4 8-hour work days. That should be the new standard. 4 times 8, 32. So you work 8 to 5, Monday through Thursday, in a general sense, as the default. I understand schedules vary. Maybe your job is Thursday to Saturday, Sunday, whatever it is, Tuesday through Friday. There's tons of variables. The point that everybody is missing is everybody's so worried about 100 other things. We already have tons of problems. America already has tons of problems. That is the point, guys. We have email, we have text, we have social media. Follow me for more information. We need to adapt. That is the point that everybody seems to miss. Stay tuned.